need to invest lakhs into the equipment, buy a good full frame photo camera, then buy a softbox, a good mic, and now your setup for videos is ready. Wrong. Whoever is telling all of these things, I don't want you to believe them. I've been creating content for more than over 8 years now, and the camera in which I'm filming this video, I've been using it for past 7 years. I haven't been upgrading. I did not invest lakhs into a full frame camera or a mirrorless camera. I just used what I had. Even the lighting which you see right now, I did not have this 2 years ago. It is something which I invested slowly and steadily as my career grew. And if you've been following me up with my life updates, you might have seen that I just recently, after 6 to 7 years of creating content on Instagram every single day, this year I finally took the plunge and decided to rent out a studio for my filming purposes. Now, this does not happen overnight. Of course, I know that quality does play a role in impacting the audience with whatever which you are saying in your videos, but that is not the only thing. If you see one of the biggest creators, let's just say the Wizard Liz, what do you think? She creates literally all her videos in her phone, in the front camera of her phone, and she has millions and millions and millions of views and subscribers. Does this mean that quality absolutely is a necessity? No, it is definitely not. And I wanted to give this to you. And a lot of people are talking about, oh, you should do this or you should do that. I want to tell you some alternatives for all of the things which you are creating excuses for. Oh, but Urvi, I don't have a good phone. Trust me, you do not need the latest version of an iPhone. The iPhone XR which I had previously to the iPhone 13 which I got, I am still using this for my other phone, as my other phone. You do not need the latest version of an iPhone to create the best content on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. No, any kind of a phone would work. Just don't film from your front camera, probably film from the back camera. That will also help you to go ahead and make good quality videos. Just because everyone around you is buying the latest version of iPhone for creating content as a content creator doesn't mean that you should as well. Okay, well, yes, they might have all of the equipment, all of the money in the world to buy that. Do you have that? No, only if you have it and if you feel like, okay, I really want to invest in it, then and then go ahead and invest in it. You need the best quality of DSLR. No, I mean, honestly, I also contemplated thinking about it. The DSLR which you are saying, I've been using this for 7 years. Literally 7 years. उसके आजू बाजू के जो panels रहते हैं वो भी निकल रहे हैं. I don't care, like, okay, yes, I know quality matters. Maybe invest a little bit into the lenses, but if you really cannot go ahead and invest like multiple lakhs, why are you doing that? Just because everyone around you is telling you to go ahead and invest lakhs into a camera, you should? No, you should not. Maybe in the future I will invest into a good camera, but when I feel like I have the means and I truly want to do it, and not because the external circumstances are telling me. Oh, Urvi, I don't have a good lighting source. Go to your terrace. The first few videos or photos which I posted on Instagram were literally on my terrace because I did not have any lighting in my room, right? For a few years, I did not even have ring light previous to 2020. What I did, I had a small bulb. This is literally, I don't think I've talked about this. I had a bulb, Philips ka bulb, which I just used to put, and that was basically the lighting source for my videos. After that, I think in 2021, I bought my first ring light. I still have it. I used it every single day for 3 years and I'm still using it. Used it day in and day out because where I was living, I did not have a place to keep the ring light. I shifted to a new place. That's when I got a new ring light. And then afterwards, again, everyone around me kept telling me, you need soft boxes. Yes, I know that it makes the entire world of difference. Just go watch this video and my previous videos on YouTube or even Instagram. I know there is a huge difference. But did I buy soft boxes because everyone around me told me to? No, I did not buy it because I necessarily did not have the space in my room to keep that, and I knew it made a difference, but it was not the right time for me to invest into a softbox. And then I invested into a softbox when I moved into this studio. Similarly with your lighting equipment, do not care. Okay, you cannot afford a ring light, or mega ring light, okay, buy the mini ring light. You cannot afford a light as well, go ahead, find some natural source of lighting and make videos over there. Similarly with a mic, I know people are buying all these podcast mics which are literally amazing, and it is on my wish list, but do you actually need it? No. One of my friends, Fiza, on Instagram, what is she doing? She does not have a professional mic. If you even see, look at me, like this is a 500 rupees mic which I've bought I think 2 or 3 years ago to talk to the camera and make my video quality better. I'm not okay. I know I should, like my brother is constantly telling me to go ahead and buy a good mic, but as of now I'm just using this because I feel like, okay, you know what's the worst? Like it's not like audio quality is like literally sucks. So yeah, what she does, back to the point, what Fiza does, she is filming a video and whatever she has scripted in the video, whatever she's talking in the video, she just takes her phone, she just records it like this, and her audio quality problem is solved. She is not investing into a mic, she's not investing into a podcast mic, this or that, no, just this. And right now you also have free AI tools like Adobe, which can literally help you to improve the enhance the voice. So I think you just don't want to create content, that's why you are giving the excuses of, oh, I don't have the perfect equipment to create content. No, you can literally start with anything. If you just scroll back to my Urvi or Urvi Designs page, you'll see that like my lighting is literally so bad, but I created the videos anyways using the bulb, because of which I crossed 50,000 followers, and then the next year I crossed 100,000, and then the next year I crossed 300,000, and because of that right now I'm able to afford a studio and create good quality content for you guys. Everything is just very, very, very simple, you see. So I hope today's video kind of inspired you to not emphasize too much on the external environments around you, but just go ahead and do it. Like as cringe as it sounds, and as cringe or as funny as people made fun of the Nike's CEO when he said just do it, it is truly, truly, truly important to just go ahead and do the thing, because otherwise you are just gonna be where you are and you don't want to look back 2 years ahead in your life and be like, oh, I wish I could have done that, right? So yeah, I hope this was helpful and I'll see you soon.